And we need some ring-fence budgets. I think one of the problems we know is that some of those budgets are getting spent in different areas, and particularly that there's no money left for resources and teaching materials.
One of the reasons why so many children fail to reach their potential in schools with literacy is that the resources are always targeted on the very few with the very, very low skills, and that can be very labour intensive and expensive to deliver. In P4L, we've tried to look at the whole school and all the children who need help with literacy, not just those at the very bottom end, and to develop models and materials that can be used in different ways with different needs.
I think what makes it unique is the fact that it can be used across the whole school. So many schools say to us that they've had lots of interventions in the past which will only be helpful for one particular year group. So obviously that makes it very expensive in terms of teacher time. This can be used across the whole school, right from year 1 right up to year 6.
In school, we are often working within time constraints when delivering interventions. These materials are accessible and easy to use, with the benefit that they can be adapted depending on the time available and on the age and different learning needs of each child. This programme allows us to make a difference in just 5 minutes.
We saw it as a clear reading skills-based programme that involved pupils, staff and parents. We also found we could introduce it quickly because it does bring together tried and testing teaching methods and the technology of the 21st century.
I've been teaching for 16 years. I've been involved in loads of different interventions. They've worked, some of them have worked for a while. As a teacher, some of them get boring to teach. The children get bored with them. Quite often they're short-term things. I think this is actually a long-term, sustainable project that every single child, every school can benefit from.